Hey, a couple of days ago, they opened up a new nature trail. Been closed since February. It's only a half a mile from my house. Let's go take a look. We're going to look at the John Gilbert Nature Trail today. Okay, here we go. What a beautiful old oak tree. Been there a long time. Pretty sure of that. Some benches over there for resting. John's Oak, it says. Wish I knew how old it was. Well, they built this really beautiful boardwalk that goes through the swamp. And boy, you need it. I don't think you could get through here without getting in a lot of deep mud and messy stuff. So I'm glad I done it. That's what all the work's been doing since February. Anyway, it looks good. At this point, it opens up at the marsh. I don't see any birds or deer or anything out there, but it's the marsh. Let's see what we can see from up there. Wow, that's a heck of a view of the marsh. I didn't realize it was here. Wow. Lots of marsh.